your world trembles and quakes, and your footing suddenly shifts and shakes. Take my hand, we'll hide in the corner, hide in the corner. Take my hand, we'll hide till it's over, till it's all over. La 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 la.
I was hoping we could talk.
Emily's waiting for me.
It's important.
Well, I'm playing catch-up in trig.
It's your Russian history book. Cute outfit. Are you wearing it for Emily? If you're going to see Toby, I won't say anything to Mom and Dad.
What do you want?
I'm sorry about what I said. About not wanting you around the baby. We picked a name. Taylor. It works for a boy or a girl.
I like it.
I don't believe what the police think. That Ian took that money and left town. He wanted this baby as much as I do.
So what are you saying?
I don't know where Ian is, and I've run out of places to look. Tell me again what happened at the church.
I've told you everything, Melissa.
No, I wasn't listening, but now I am.
So you believe me?
I don't know what to believe. But I know Ian would never leave me.